Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we'll be talking about formatting the HTML tags. Okay, now we are back at the text editor. Now, there are special attributes that could be added to each HTML tags. For instance, in the p tag, let's say we want to make this text stronger, the font width to be stronger. We could just add it to the p tag. Let's use the tag for the strong. Okay, all the way down here, and save it. Let's check it on the browser. As you can see, this text looks more stronger than the others. Also, we could make some text become bolder. Okay, it's not really having an effect over here. We could also add the italics for a slanting text. I'll be doing that to the p tag. As you can see over here, the text has become italics. So that's how you format HTML text. See you guys in the next tutorial.